Hey guys, in today's YouTube video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make an origami paper crane. Along the way, I'm going to be playing some traditional Japanese music. Hope you will enjoy! So I'm going to start off with my origami paper. Whatever color paper you choose, make sure the color side is facing upward. Fold your origami paper into a triangle. Then I'm going to open it, tilt it, and fold it into a triangle once again. Now I'm going to open it and flip it over to the white side. Then I'm going to do a rectangular fold. I'm going to open it up and do another rectangular fold. Now I'm going to take these 2 points and bring them down, pinching them so they don't fly everywhere. I'm going to push down on the paper to create a square. Make sure you have the flaps at the bottom or else it will not work later on. Now fold into the crease line. Then repeat this on the left side. And flip it over and repeat the process. You should have something along the lines that looks like a kite. Now open up one side of the flaps and grab the first piece of paper. You should see a crease line in the middle and fold into the crease line. Do this on the left side as well. Flip it over and repeat these steps. Now fold these flaps into the crease line. Do this again on the left side. Now flip and repeat. Now pinch these two together and these two together. Then fold this up. Repeat this process. Now pinch these two together and these two together. Then fold down on this flap for the wings. Repeat this on both sides. Lastly, pull these 2 points outward, folding only a little at the top on just one. And now you have a beautiful origami crane.